How to contact freelancer support. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can contact freelancer support. Now freelancer is a site where you can easily contact the support whenever you have issues with your account. Now what do you do first? Log in into your freelancer account, and then once you're logged in, you can decide to access the support system by moving to the top right corner of the screen, clicking on your profile icon, and then by the time you scroll down under the finances tab, you would see the option support. You can do this, or instead you can just scroll down to the last part of the page, all right, of the page, and then once you're at the last part of the page, you can move to the left side here, and then you would see the support option. But preferably you can just make use of the top right corner of the screen under your profile icon. And then once you've clicked on your profile icon that way, all right, let's do that again. Okay, and then a drop down menu appears. In the drop down menu, just scroll down and click on support. So after clicking on support, you'll be taken to the support page automatically. Let's click on it again. So after clicking it, you'll be brought to your support page automatically. On this page, you can see the live chat support at the top part of the screen. You can see an introduction or announcement showing you the live chat support that you can just easily ask questions, all right? And then you can see a search box where you can type out your question, and then articles that have addressed those questions will be displayed to you. Just read through the articles and then you get answers to your concerns. All right. Another thing is by scrolling down, right? In case you did not get a specific answer, you can just scroll down until you see the freelancer help center or client help center. Depending on the one you fall under, are you a client or are you a freelancer? You can just select the category you fall under. That's select the category you fall under, you'll be directed to the page that addresses your need. And then once you're on this page, you can just scroll down and see contact us. All right, and also click on contact us. You'll be taken to another page where you'll be able to speak to a virtual assistant by selecting the category where your issue fall under and all of that. Follow through all of these processes, and then you will get an answer to your questions. So this is how you can contact the customer support on freelancer.com. Thanks for watching and have a good day.